All right, I've got a little bit of an unboxing today. As you can see, it's from the Apple Store. And I went ahead and purchased the Magic Keyboard for my iPad Pro. It's the 12.9-inch version. So I got the corresponding keyboard for that. Yeah, so let's get into the unboxing. All right, so I can see there's a tab here. I love how easy they make it to unbox their products now. All right. Ooh. It is fairly heavy, I will admit. Feels heavier than the iPad itself, actually. Feels really nice. I actually, I know some people say they don't like how the material of the case, but I actually really like it. Alright, so we'll go ahead and place my iPad. On the keyboard. It really sticks on there. It's really nice. I will definitely have to do a review of the keyboard itself after I've used it for a little bit of time, but as for today, I think that pretty much does it for our unboxing. So I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it was quick, but have a great day.